Hello, everyone. Welcome to this presentation on investment. Investing your money wisely requires a clear understanding of your financial goals, risk, tolerance, and investment options. Here are some general tips to consider. Define your financial goals. Determine what you want to achieve through investing, such as savings for retirement, a down payment on a house, or a specific financial goal. Consider your time horizon, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. Understand your risk tolerance. Assess your comfort level with market volatility and risk. Consider your financial situation, investment goals, and personal preferences. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investment across different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Diversification can help reduce risks and increase potential returns. Invest for the long term. Investing is a long-term game. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Focus on steady, consistent growth over time. Consider low-cost index funds. Index funds can provide broad diversification and often have lower fees than actively managed funds. They can be a good option for investors who want to minimize costs. Avoid putting all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your investments to minimize risk. Avoid over-investing in a single stock, asset class, or industry. Educate yourself. Continuously learn about investing and personal finance. Stay up to date with market trends and economic changes. Consider seeking professional advice. If you are new to investing or unsure about specific investments, consider consulting a financial advisor. A professional can help you create a personal investment plan. Start early. The power of compounding can work in your favor if you start investing early. Even small, regular investment can add up over time. Be patient. Investing is a long-term process. Avoid getting caught up in get-rich-quick schemes or trying to time the market. Focus on steady, consistent growth over time. By following these tips and doing your research, you can make informed investment decisions and work towards achieving your financial goals. Thank you very much for being part of this financial education and being a member of the Wealth Club. I hope you enjoy your investment journey. Thank you very much for being part of this workshop. Have a wonderful time investing.